Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you how can you purchase a dedicated server from Hosting Ultraso. But before that, I will tell you something about Hosting Ultraso. Hosting Ultraso provides various types of servers to clients worldwide, such as dedicated servers, co-location servers, specialized servers, game servers. Our services are available to 119 cities worldwide. You can see our menus here. In this dedicated server menu, you can see the continents where our dedicated servers are available. In this game server menu, you can see the games for which our dedicated servers are available. These are our specialized servers. These are the locations worldwide where our data centers are available. These are the special features of our dedicated servers. Here you can see what makes us special. We provide dedicated servers to 119 cities worldwide. Our data centers are ISO certified. We provide technical assistance throughout the year 24/7. Our data centers have on-site security throughout the year 24/7 with CCTV monitoring. Our dedicated servers provide 99.99% uptime guarantee, and we provide 1000 types of servers. These are our services. You can see bug fixing, server optimization, monitoring, technical service, support center, data protection. See, these are our other services: firewall, data encryption. These are our hot deals on dedicated server in various continents. You can see here. These are the locations worldwide where we provide dedicated servers. If you want to follow us through social media platforms, these are the links. This is Facebook, this is Twitter, which is now known as X, and LinkedIn. In this live chat option, you can enter your details and start chatting with our customer support and address your queries regarding dedicated servers. Here you can give the details. Now I will tell you how can you purchase your preferred dedicated server. Go to dedicated server option, click on Europe server. These are the locations where we provide dedicated servers in Europe: Amsterdam, Paris, Helsinki, Oslo, Lisbon, London, Frankfurt. These are the configurations we provide. You can see here. Taking the example of Paris location, I will explain how can you purchase our server. Go to Paris server location. Click on this option, see details. Here you can see the server configurations we have for Paris dedicated server. Our setup cost is free. Here you can see here. If you want to pay monthly, you have to pay this amount. If you want to pay quarterly with 5% discount, you have to pay this. If you want to pay half yearly, you have to pay this. Or if you want to pay yearly, you have to pay this. After that, click on add to cart. This is your total bill. We will send you the invoice and you have to give your billing information, such as email address, your title, whether you are male or female, your residential country, your full name, your address, your city, your state, your zip code, your mobile number, your required operating system. If you already have your operating system, we will provide you IPMI access. If you want to say anything additionally, you can write here. See, I have written here, I want an additional IP address for my dedicated server. These are your payment methods. You can pay through any of these methods. I have chosen PayPal. After that, continue to next step. This is your review order page. Your product details, your price, the quantity is written here. This is your total price. Your account information, your billing information, everything is written here. Your additional notes, operating system requirement, everything is written here. Now many customers ask, what is payment gateway charge and why do we charge it? The answer is no, we do not charge it. It is charged by the payment gateway itself, as it is here $42.33. After that, continue to next step. As I have chosen PayPal, the PayPal window opened here. Now, if you have any query on purchasing our dedicated server or conducting the payment process, go to Contact Us menu. Give your name, your email ID, your mobile number and your message, such as I am writing. After that, click on Submit. You will get a reply within 24 hours. In case if you have any urgency, you can call our sales executive using this number. Now, these are our contact details, our office address, our main office phone number. If you want to purchase a dedicated server, send an email here, sales@hostingultraso.com. For billing enquiries, send an email here. If you need technical support, send an email here. These are our support center options. You can see here: email support, support ticket, live chat, and call center. These are our data center locations worldwide. You can see here. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, give a like, leave comments and share this video with your friends. Till then, see you in the next video.